Well, I am an attorney. I was an attorney. I married a public defender turned prosecutor. So law and appreciation for the law and appreciation for principles relating to justice sort of run in our family. When I left this place, in fact, Congress, to run for governor, I saw that my predecessors, Democratic governors at the time in Maryland, had taken either limited or really no interest in this subject. I had always viewed it from the outside as a congressman, a state legislator, as a private attorney, as an integral part of the job of governor, of chief executive. So I campaigned on it. I talked about it during the course of the campaign. It did not generate a lot of attention nor enthusiasm at the time. I'm not sure what people thought of it at the time, quite frankly. But in any event, I took that pre-existing interest into the governorship. We formed a very serious group with regard to pardons and commutations during my time, actually right after I was sworn in. Lieutenant Governor was part of that. My legal staff was a part of that as well. And we became well known around the country for a very aggressive, progressive approach to criminal justice reform. Well, it's the ability, typically a unilateral ability for chief executives to do justice. And when you think about your job description and why you run, why you're paid, what your job description truly is as chief executive of the state of Maryland, it's to do justice. This is really one of the few areas left where the legislature has really almost no, in this case, no power in Maryland. Chief executive has basically unilateral power to do good things, to do justice. Well, various examples come to mind. Some were very non-controversial. A minor criminal offense, a fight, a teenage fight, for example, and everybody gets locked up and assault charges, and you're 18, and now it's 30 years later, you need a security clearance from the federal government. Guess what's on your record? So very easy things like that. All along to lifer cases. Commuting lifer sentences, very difficult, very controversial, a lot of press attention. A lot of governors tend to shy away from situations along those lines. But we did not. So as a result of not shying away, as a result of making it a priority for our office, we received a lot of national attention. Yes, I am. I see not a lot of interest with new governors, for example. There is a broken system at the Federal Justice Department, but I can't fix that. But what I can do is start a clinic, start a group of law students along these lines of intellectual interest in these issues. It's multidimensional, what we're talking about here. We've begun negotiations with 5 area DC law schools. It's an evolving process, but we're very excited about the opportunity.